So just now we have completed addition, that is fraction and addition. Now we are going to see subtraction. Okay, now let's start the sum. So first one is subtracting unlike fraction. So unlike fraction means what? I've told you many times, that is unlike fraction means the denominators are different. Denominators are different. Look at all the denominators. 2, 3 is different. See 6, 4 it's different. 11, 10 all are different. So if the denominators are different, it is an unlike fraction. If the denominators are same, it is a like fraction. Okay, let's start the sum. The first one is 1 by 2, a sum. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So if the denominators are different, you have to take the LCM, that you know very well. The same addition pattern, but you are subtracting, that's all. So 2, 3. So this is a even number, this is odd number. So if you have the number like this, if you want to take this kind of a numbers, means you just multiply, this is enough. Otherwise you can do the same LCM pattern. So if you take 2 means you can get only 1, and again 3. So again you have to take, so 1, 1. So 2 into, that is 3, you can get 6 is a LCM. So LCM of lowest common multiple of 2, 3 is 6. So now I'm going to, so look at the number, this 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Sorry, 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So what I'm going to do, 1 by 2, I have to make this 2 as what? 6, because LCM is 6. So I have to multiply by 3 the denominator. If the denominator is multiplied by 3, the numerator is also multiplied by what? 3. So what you will get? 3 by 6. The next is 1 by 3. So I have to multiply, I have to make this 3 as what? 6. So 3 is multiplied by 2. Here also multiply by 2. So denominator multiplied by 2, numerator is also multiplied by 2. So you can get 2 by 6. So now the denominators are same. So now we are going to subtract. So 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. So both the denominators are same. So you have to subtract the numerator. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. See, the same addition pattern, but you have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract, that's all. There is no difference between addition and subtraction. The only difference you have to add there, but here you have to subtract. So next sum we are going to see. Next sum is, that is B sum, that is 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. So denominators are same, sorry, whether the denominator is same or not? No, the denominator is not same, I just simply say. So 6, 4, so you have to take the LCM, so difference, so the denominators are different, so you have to take the what? LCM. So first I have to take 2, so this is a common divisor. So 2 into 3 you can get 6. So 6 divided by 2 you can get 3 otherwise. So 4 divided by 2 you can get again 2. So again you have to take 3. So 1 time, here 2. So again I take 2 time. So I take 1, 1. So answer is 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. So LCM of 6, 4 is 12. So 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is a question. So 5 by 6, I have to make this 6 as what? 12, because 12 is a LCM. So I have to multiply by 2 the denominator. So if the denominator is multiplied by 2, I have to multiply the numerators also 2. So 6 into 2, it becomes what? 12. And 5 into 2, you can get 10 by 12. The answer is 10 by 12. Next is 3 by 4. So I have to make this what? 4, it becomes what? It becomes what? 12. So 4 into 3, I have to multiply the denominator by 3. So if the denominator is multiplied by 3, numerator is also multiplied by 3. So 3 into 3, 9, divided by 4 into 3, you can get 12. So both the numbers are, both the denominators are same. So 10 by 12 minus 9 by what? 12. So denominators are same. So not what is in the middle? What is in the middle? That is minus. So 10 minus 9, you can get what? 1 by 12. So this is the answer for the question. So 10 minus 9, you can get 1, again divided by 12. So this sum is also over. Next sum you have to see. It's the third sum, the last sum that you are going to see. That is 8 by 11 minus 3 by 10. See, look at the denominators are different. So take the LCM. So this is a what? This is a odd number and this is a even number. So just multiply simply. So LCM of 11 comma 10, that is 11 into 10 simply. If the denominators are odd and what? Even, you just simply multiply, because you can't take the LCM, because you can take, but this is a very simplest method. So 110 is 110. So 8 by 11 minus 3 by 10, this is a question. So 8 by 11, so here the LCM is what? 1 by 10. So you have to multiply by what? 10. So then only 11 is multiplied by 10, you can get the LCM is 110. So 110, and here, so if the denominator multiplied by 10, the numerator is also multiplied by 10. 8 into 10, you can get 80. So 80 by 110. 80 divided by 110. The next is 3 by 10. So here I have to multiply by 11. Then only you can get the LCM 110. So if the denominator is multiplied by 11, so I have to multiply the numerator also the same number. That is 3 into 11, 33, 10 into 11, 110. So here the denominators are same or not? The denominators are same. So now you have to subtract 80 minus 110 minus 33 divided by 110. So 80 minus 33 you have to subtract. So here 10 minus 3, 0, you can't subtract, so you have to borrow from here. So it becomes what? 7. 10 minus 3, you can get 7. 7 minus 3, you can get 4. So 47 divided by 10. So 47 is divided by 10, it's a what? Improper fraction. So 4 tens are 10, 40, and 7, it's a quotient, and this is the remainder. So 4 is a whole number. Is, and 7 is a what? Numerator, and 10 is a denominator. So the answer is what? 47 by 10. It's almost we reached the answer, but we need the answer only in mixed fraction. So that is what? So 47 divided by 10, you can get the answer is 4 and 7 by 10. 4, 7 by 10. 4 and 7 by 10. 4 is a whole number, and 7 is a what? Numerator, and 10 is the denominator. So 4 and 7 by 10, this 4 is a whole number, 7 by 10 is a proper fraction. So composed of whole number and a proper fraction, you can get the mixed fraction. So the answer is 4, 7 by 10. This is the right answer.